Hey guys, this is Dave from MortgageGuy.com, and I've been messing around with AI and ChatGPT and wanted to really ask, is it possible that AI could replace realtors? Before I dig into that, please subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep up with more videos like this. Before I dig into that, I want to go over some things that maybe AI could change the real estate industry with. And stay tuned at the end for me to go over if AI could replace realtors. So let's go right to the source. I inputted this information into ChatGPT to see what their response was and really start from there, okay? So what are some things that artificial intelligence can change the real estate industry with? Number one was property valuations. We've already seen this fail on a mass scale with Zillow values and open door buying homes and then trying to flip them from there. So yes, artificial intelligence played a huge role in that and may play a role in the future more and more on that topic. But we've seen where it fails versus a realtor who knows the exact market. I mean, let's be honest. Is the home on this street going to sell for the same as a home 2 streets over 2 months ago? Most likely not, right? So it's not something you can do on that scale. Predictive analytics, looking at when people will buy their next home, how much of a home and this and that. That's really digging into some data that could be useful to help you know how you can really help your clients and work with certain clientele as repeat customers over and over again in the future. Number 3, automated property management. I think this is probably possible on certain levels, right? But there's still going to be an individual component there. If rents are missed, following up on that, if the toilet's not working, things like that. So not something that would be perfect on a macro level, but maybe could streamline some things. Virtual assistants. AI would be able to help with certain tasks for sure. And I think we'll see that more and more as this gets, some ramping up time into it and seeing where there's some benefits there, right? So helping with certain tasks. Number 5, marketing along the same lines, right? Which is helping you with your marketing based on data, right? Or maybe the writing of your marketing. Smart building management, right? So kind of going back to the property management thing is managing a large building based on energy costs and repairs and maintenance, things like that. Virtual reality and 3D visualization, kind of like what you're seeing now on listings, right? Is changing maybe the presentation of that listing with virtual reality, 3D, and you're already seeing that right now. So those are things that artificial intelligence could help change the real estate business with. Let's go back to that question. Can AI replace realtors? And this is literally their response. Artificial intelligence has the potential to automate many tasks and make actually, you know what? I'm not even going to read all that shit. The truth of the matter is you can't. Here's why. 1, you need an individual to actually be able to look at that data and make a decision. The negotiating is an individual. AI is not going to replace that. The personal aspect, AI is not going to replace that. The knowledge, the experience, how to structure a deal, handling problems in the situation, all of those things are what makes a realtor what they are and successful. AI is not going to replace that. And ChatGPT even said that. It's a personal relationship. There's too many factors that go into it. It will not allow it to replace a realtor. It's humanly impossible, okay? But there are things that it may change the real estate industry on a little bit. And I think we should all pay attention to that. All right? If you find my videos helpful, I would love to be your lender. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and stick around for the next video. I think you'll like it. Thanks, guys.